Well, okay. One of the assignments that was more difficult that should have been difficult was the image making one. It actually should be pretty easy, and it was a stumbling block for a few of you. So let's look over this again. Adobe Spark might be kind of annoying to actually log into. So let's not worry about Adobe Spark right now, but it's pretty cool. Canva is pretty fun because it can do presentations and things like that. So it's actually kind of more of a presentation sort of design tool. So that's pretty fun. Pictochart is an infographic maker, which you would really need for especially social studies and science. It's very cool. So look at Pictochart for those things. Sketchpad is the one that I have little videos here of how to do it. And it's really easy. And I think what stopped some of you was maybe, I don't know, worrying about the art too much. This is just a tool. So you're supposed to find a quote. Oops. You know, find some kind of an image. Let's cancel that one. Let's see what I got. I could open some things. I didn't set up my browser yet. I'll do that later. Put little shapes. And some of you had a great time playing with it and did just fine. So, you know, that's cool. You can draw. This is really terrible, but I'm just having fun for right now. I don't know why that's not working there. I gotta figure that out. You can add new layers. So I can move things around. Here's this layer. I want this somewhere else. See how these layers, you can really change things around. So that was it. But then what happened was you didn't know how to save it. So here's the little save icon. You export it. Save it as a JPEG. It goes in your downloads folder. And it's just called drawing. I don't know why they don't let you name it as you're saving it. But there it is. So when you're uploading it into Canvas, you just go in your downloads folder and upload it as a file. And that was it. So could you guys try that one again? Thanks.